Hey, what's up guys, my name is Clayton. We're back with another YouTube video. Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? So today I am going to be reviewing this FTM packing underwear right here. I'm going to try to pronounce the name WONABABI. WONABABI. Yeah, I just got this from them and I'm going to be reviewing it for you guys. I do have a 5% discount code, 5% off. Check it out. It's ClayJ5. It's down in the description below. All their social medias and stuff will be down in the description below. Go check them out. So yeah, let's get started. So first, it comes in a bag like this. I do like when they come in like cool bags like this because I'll definitely probably keep the bag. Nice. Here it is. I'm gonna open it. Boom. These are them. I got a small. So already filling them. You gotta do the sniff test too, if you know what I mean. Nah, they feel great. I like the way they feel. I love underwear. I have a lot of underwear. Yeah, they feel great. I like the thicker band. I don't know, that's just me. I like a thicker band. Got their name on it, WONABABI. And then this one is packing underwear, so if you turn it inside out, it does have a little opening right there where you can put something in there, whether you got a packer or it actually does come with a packer that they got. It's literally just a foamy bulge shaper, which is cool. It's cool that they give you your own just in case, you know, if you don't have packers. So yeah, here it is. The foam packer thing. And then, oh, that is so cute. I love stickers. I'll probably put it on my longboard maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, they came with stickers too. The first one says, I've got anxiety, which I have major anxiety. So perfect sticker for me. I want to see the stickers, sorry. So yeah, we got this sticker. Toppy. We got that sticker. I think that was a dream catcher. Then we got a smiley face, a rainbow smiley face. This is really cute. I kissed a bear and I liked it. That's funny. Sorry, now we're doing sticker reviews. They're cute. They're really cute. Wow, they literally came with this with stickers. There's cats, rainbow cats. I hope you can see from here. I'm really far away from the camera. Love. Crystal queer. Oh, now I get it. I was kind of like, what does that have to do with it? But yeah, a zebra, a gay zebra. That's what I'm talking about. A flower. Break free. Love is love. Oh, this one's cute. I like that one. Death metal. Sorry, I had to go. I love stickers. I usually put it on like my longboards. That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just put it on my longboard. I just got a new longboard, so I'll probably put it on my new longboard. Then my new longboard will be the gay longboard. I support my LGBT friends. That's cute. And then just ice cream, rainbow. That's cute. These are really super duper cute. Came with stickers. What else did it come with? Came with this, like a little thank you. And then it came with this. Boom. Because it tells you all the stuff that, it tells them literally about them. So I'm actually going to try these on WONABABIs, if I said it right, with this packer, and then I'm also gonna try it on with a real packer that I have. Actually, I'm gonna go get one. Let me go through my collection and see which one I want to get. Yo. Whoa, I'm back, guys. So, out of my whole Packer collection, I decided to go with the classic Packer from Axlum. One of my favorite ones, just because it looks more natural and like good size. So, I'm gonna try the WONABABI underwear with the foam Packer, and then with the Axlum classic Packer. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna try it on with. Let's go. All right, guys. So I got the underwear on. So here's the underwear. Yeah, this is with nothing on. This is just me putting the underwear on. I like the feeling of this underwear. It's very like kind of spandexy a little bit. Tight, which is I think tight is really good when it comes to packing, because like my biggest thing is if I'm a very active guy, I like to run, like to play sports, like to just be active. And if I want to wear a Packer, I don't want to be thinking while I'm playing my sports, while I'm at my ninja gym that I work out at, and I'll only be thinking of, oh my God, is my Packer gonna fall out? You know, so these feel really tight. Like I don't think anything's gonna fall out of it. So yeah, so this is it. I'm gonna try it on with the foam. All right, it's in. Hope I put it in right. Yeah, I think that looks good. One thing I really like about the foam stuff is like it has no weight to it, because it's literally foam. It has no weight to it, so you don't really have to like worry about like it going down farther or it falling out or anything, because like it weighs nothing. It's like 0 pounds in there. So I really like when they give you some kind of foamy bulge looking thing to put down there, because like it looks good and it weighs nothing. So I do like that. I think it looks fine. I can put some pants on. Yeah, you can still see a bulge, but it's not so noticeable. With me, I either like to not pack or pack light, like a small bulge. And it's probably because I'm like 120 pounds, I'm 5 foot, like I'm a very small person. So like, I feel like it's gonna be really weird if I come in with something so big. So like, I like this, like you can still see something. I don't know if you can, but me looking down, I see something. You can still see something, but it ain't that big. So yeah, I really like that. It looks good. Now let's try the classic in it. All right, I got the classic Packer from Axlum down there. I do see a little bit of a difference with putting a Packer and putting the foam bulge thing, because like I said, the Packer definitely has some weight to it, so it is down farther. Like I feel like the foam one was like up here more. This one's like more down, which actually I think that looks more realistic. Like I don't know what word to use, but it does have weight to it. We gotta try it out now. Let's see. Hey. It's staying in there. All right. Yeah, it looks good. Didn't fall out yet. I mean, the one thing, I guess, if you think about it, it won't really fall out. Didn't even think about that, because it's up above. Like, you put it in like that. So I guess it won't fall off, but like, I guess with the only thing with these is if it moves. Because it definitely won't fall out. I just realized it. It won't fall off because they have it where you put it from the top down. So it really can't fall off unless you do a handstand and it somehow falls off. But I just did a handstand and did not fall out. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna put these on. All right, here it is. There's a bulge. It's not too bad. Not not too noticeable, which that's the way I like it. I mean, you could get it if you want it more noticeable, get a bigger Packer. So, you know. But yeah, there it is. WONABABI. That's what I'm talking about. Go try it. I do got 5% discount link, ClayJ5. Down in the description, I'll put their website and their Instagram and stuff like that. So go check that out. And they don't only have packing underwear. They also have binders, unisex clothes, and accessories like stickers and stuff. So go check out their stuff. Will be down in the description below. Same with my social media will also be down in the description below. Go check all that out. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Comment down below if you ever tried this company out or if you're going to. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.